Hey guys, so this is a bit of a disclaimer for the video you're about to watch. I'm talking about my living situation and the problems I'm having with it. And just bear in mind that I'm quite angry in these clips. And where I live now is called the Care Center, which is was originally a place for people that are sick to sleep. For whatever reasons they want, if they don't want to disturb their roommates or they're infectious or stuff like that. So I do understand that that is like the original purpose of it, but it is also quite upsetting for someone that doesn't have a place to live. I don't have a room, and then I get moved in here thinking it'd be pretty permanent until my room was suitable to live in again, and then I get moved out again. So now I again have a temporary place, which is not nice. And yeah, I was angry in these clips, so that's my disclaimer. Onto the video now. Currently in the school we are dealing with a bedbug situation that I did not talk about last year much at all really, but the room I lived in last year had bedbugs, so I had to move into this place called the Care Center. And I moved back into a new room last weekend and found out that that room has bedbugs too, even though the school promised to fix the problem this summer. They fixed all the rooms except the one I'm in. So I've had to put all my clothes in the freezer for a week. And now, thankfully, I had my clothes back, but I'm not allowed to take them into my room because my room's still not bedbug free. So I've had to store it all in my care center, tiny little care center room. And yeah, I had to do it all myself for maintenance building, and that took a lot of time because it's not easy to carry these heavy ass boxes with all my belongings in. But yeah, I don't know if they will fix the bed bugs. I'm really disappointed about the situation, and the reason I'm saying this is because I don't want people to come here, like my first year roommates. They came here, thought this situation had been dealt with, and it wasn't. So yeah. Okay, me and Arno made little nachos.
Yeah.
Actually, we made enough for about
30 people.
Yes, but we will eat it all.
A full family.
Yes.
No, we don't. We won't.
Yeah, we will.
You will.
We're going kayaking.
Ooh.
Wow.
I'm going kayaking. I should be studying. Ooh, look, come, join the shot. I feel like we should be bringing the first years. Oh, but
We're not.
we're not.
We love you though. Don't worry.
We do. Ooh, kind of good. I'm only going kayaking for the vlog. Guys, you should know how dedicated I am to this vlog. I exercise because of it. It's a montage video.
We are currently waiting for everyone to get out on the fjord. I have Kristen's phone in my boat, so I'm just vlogging because that's what I do. This is Mia. She's not supposed to be out here, but it's fine. It's a good time. It's kind of cute outside now. Kind of fresh, kind of cute. We all are failing IB. Yeah.
Vlog me. Oh, yes, I got it. You're not showing me.
Now? Kind of scared when I lose this shit. Okay.
This is a little boathouse that we ran across. It has a cute little swing.
The swing is. Wait, I heard a sound. Oh no, it's supposed to be like exciting for the vlog.
Oh, I heard an exciting sound.
Yeah, this vlog is so bad, Kristen.
Ooh, just Elisa and the water. Just the girl and her kayak. And then there's me.
Here we have 2 species of seaweed.
So here's a little update on my bedbug situation. They did a treatment yesterday, which means that one person has to come here and sleep and see if we get bitten. And that person is me, because no one else was willing to do it. So now I have to sleep in this creepy ass room with no one here, in a bed that is probably filled with bed bugs. Now I'm literally about to cry thinking about sleeping here. So yeah, that's my update for now. My bedbug bites have just started to heal, so that'll be great to get them again.
Now it's time for God to shine. In the shallow. In the shallow. Give them what they're hoping for.
Is this High School Musical?
Guys, I should be an actress one day. I'm literally gonna be an actress after IB. I swear to God, I'm gonna be so fucking famous. Ask me to act anything right now.
Be Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oh, that I can't. I'm not white.
She has to be white. No, non-white. The person.
Well, I'm not white. I can't be.
Well,
Oh, you mean act like they do?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's what actresses do.
okay.
Okay, be Priyanka Chopra.
Baby, let's go.
Oliver.
Hey, Selma, do you want to see this video? It's so fucking funny. It's so funny. Look at it. Oh, 2 cats are running.
I hang out with 10-year-olds.
2 cats? Did you see these 2 cats? They're just running. That's so fucking funny. That's it. Y'all gonna love me, guys. Y'all gonna love me.
You're at a lunch or some shit, and then like you're with your girlies, and then you like film them, and they're like,
Yeah. Oh yeah, I know they do like 3.
Stop! That's how it is. No, I look ugly. Stop.
I look so ugly.
I have no eyebrows, please.
So, I haven't vlogged at all, but this is the next week. So, even though I still live in care center, with all my stuff in the room, currently looks like this because I'm packing again. Not only do I not have a room, I now have to move into a room with Selma so someone else can sleep here. So, that's a great time. I love being a priority. I love this school, it makes me so happy.
I'm your only friend. Why am I never in your vlog? Currently in Finland House Stay Room. Kristen is gonna complain about the way I vlog once again, as if I have not heard that enough. First years, that's my first year, Hannah. She's not Hannah G. Unfortunately, Hannah G, we miss you. Oh, thank you.
These first years are inventing a new way of. We are playing Monopoly.
Mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the harder that I try to do that, the more it backfires on me.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Welcome to the hug party, guys. Welcome.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah. Hey, so yeah, today we went to Verde, you know, with the owner of the vlog, Mrs. Kristen, and then a few other individuals. Can I switch the camera? No. Okay. Sounds good. And then there's Amin and Elisa. And yeah, I mean, Great day. Yeah, fuck. Oh, shit. I'm swearing. And so now we're just gonna sit down and engage in civil conversation, and yeah, I'm pretty cool. Fuck yeah. Keep doing that shit. Keep doing it. Never give up, Kristen. Never give up.
You wanna give an inspirational talk?
Be yourself, you know?